Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the exciting world of making money online. Today's video is all about how you can leverage the online world to generate income and achieve financial freedom. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Finding your niche. The first step in making money online is finding your niche. It's important to identify a specific area of expertise or passion that sets you apart from others. Take some time to explore your interests and skills. What are you truly passionate about? Once you find your niche, you'll be able to align your efforts with your passion, which can greatly increase your chances of success. Building your online presence. Building a professional online presence is crucial in the online world. Creating a website or a blog is a great way to showcase your skills and attract potential clients or customers. Make sure your online presence is polished, well-designed, and reflects your personal brand. Remember, first impressions matter, and your online presence is often the first interaction people have with you and your business. Leveraging social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn provide excellent opportunities for connecting with your target audience and promoting your services or products. Develop a social media strategy that aligns with your goals and target audience. Engage with your followers, share valuable content, and be consistent. Remember, social media is not just about self-promotion but also about building meaningful connections and providing value. Freelancing. Freelancing has become increasingly popular in the online world. Identify your skills and offer them as services on freelancing websites such as Upwork or Fiverr. This allows you to work with clients from all around the world and build a portfolio of successful projects. Freelancing provides flexibility and the opportunity to showcase your expertise while earning a good income. Creating an online course. Have you considered sharing your knowledge and expertise by creating an online course? Platforms like Udemy or Teachable offer a great opportunity to package your expertise into a comprehensive course and sell it to a global audience. People are constantly looking for ways to learn new skills, and creating an online course can be a highly profitable venture. YouTube channel monetization. Starting a YouTube channel can be an incredibly rewarding way to make money online. By creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, so be consistent, authentic, and provide value to your viewers. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another effective way to make money online. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Choose products or services that align with your niche and genuinely provide value to your audience. Transparency and honesty are key in building trust with your followers. E-commerce. If you're interested in selling physical products, setting up an online store is a fantastic option. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy provide user-friendly interfaces for creating your own online store. Identify products that align with your niche and invest time in creating high-quality product listings and engaging product descriptions. Customer satisfaction and effective marketing are crucial for success in e-commerce. Consulting services. If you have specialized knowledge or expertise in a particular field, offering consulting services can be a lucrative way to make money online. Provide one-on-one guidance and support to clients who seek your expertise. This can be done through video calls, email consultations, or even in-person meetings if feasible. Position yourself as a trusted advisor and help clients achieve their goals by sharing your knowledge and providing personalized solutions. Diversify your income streams. One of the key principles of making money in the online world is to diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Explore multiple avenues to generate revenue. For example, you can combine freelancing with e-commerce or create digital products alongside your consulting services. By diversifying, you'll not only increase your income potential but also mitigate risks. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is an essential aspect of making money in the online world. Continuously seek opportunities to learn and grow. Take online courses, attend webinars, read books, and stay updated with industry trends. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable your skills become, leading to increased earning potential. Networking and collaborations. Building a strong network and collaborating with others can open doors to new opportunities. Attend virtual events, join online communities, and connect with like-minded individuals in your industry. Collaborate on projects, cross-promote each other's work, and leverage each other's audiences. Remember, collaboration is not about competition but about mutually beneficial partnerships. Passive income streams. Passive income streams can be a game changer in your online money-making journey. Look for opportunities to create passive income, such as writing ebooks, creating online courses, or investing in dividend-paying stocks or real estate. While passive income requires initial effort, it can provide a steady stream of income with minimal ongoing work. Remaining adaptable. The online world is constantly evolving, and it's essential to remain adaptable. Stay updated with emerging technologies, platforms, and trends. Be open to learning new skills and exploring new opportunities. By adapting to changes, you can position yourself ahead of the curve and stay competitive in the ever-changing online landscape. Time management. Effective time management is crucial when working in the online world. Set clear goals, prioritize tasks, and establish a routine that maximizes your productivity. Avoid distractions, set boundaries, and allocate dedicated time for income-generating activities. Remember, time is a valuable resource, so use it wisely to make the most of your online ventures. Provide value above all. The most successful online entrepreneurs prioritize providing value above all else. Focus on helping others, solving problems, and meeting the needs of your audience or clients. By consistently delivering value, you'll build trust, loyalty, and a strong reputation. When you prioritize serving others, the money will naturally follow. Continuous optimization. Optimization is an ongoing process in the online world. Continuously analyze your strategies, metrics, and results. Experiment with different approaches, test new ideas, and refine your techniques. Be willing to adapt, pivot, and iterate based on feedback and data. Optimization is the key to long-term success. Believe in yourself. Finally, believe in yourself and your ability to succeed in the online world. Building a profitable online business takes time, effort, and perseverance. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and stay motivated even when faced with obstacles. Remember, with the right mindset and determination, you can achieve your financial goals. And that concludes our video on how to make money in the online world. We've covered valuable tips and strategies that can help you build a successful online business and achieve your financial goals. Remember, making money in the online world requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Whether you're freelancing, creating digital products, or providing consulting services, always prioritize providing value and serving your audience or clients. Build a strong network, stay updated with industry trends, and continuously optimize your strategies. Diversify your income streams, invest in yourself, and be open to collaboration and new opportunities. Remember, building a profitable online business takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and approach, it's achievable. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your online money-making journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. See you in the next video.